How to change price color on Shopify Horizon theme. Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you exactly how to do that without using any code. So let's just go ahead and get started. First you will need to go to your online store, go to themes, and then just go ahead and click on edit theme. From here you simply just want to go ahead and go to the product page. And then from here we can actually see that we have this price point and it is with the black font. So we want to change the color of this to whichever color that we actually want it to be. So in order to do so, first we will need to go ahead and find out which scheme this price point is using. So if we just go ahead and go to product information, header, we should be able to see that it has the product title and the price point. And these two are going to have the same scheme as this header here. So we can just go in and click on header, scroll down until we find appearance, and then we can actually see that it has the color scheme 1. So what we want to do is just go in and click on theme settings, go to colors. Once you go to colors, you simply just want to go ahead and add the new scheme. Go ahead and try to copy the same scheme as number 1. Try to make it exactly the same, except for one thing and one thing only, which is going to be the links tab here. So just go ahead and change it to whichever color you want the price point to be. So let's just go ahead and go for green, for example. Once that's done, we can just go ahead and click on save. And now we just want to go back to the sections editor, go back to the header. So just go ahead and click on it, go to the schemes and select the new one. From here, we can actually see the price point is going to change automatically for me because I set the price as links. But if it does not for you, don't panic. It's just one step that I have done already. So what we want to do, if it did not change for you, you simply just want to go back, click on price. And then from price, you just want to go to color and make sure that it says it's selected as link, not text, not heading, just link. And we also want to ensure that the product title is anything but link, because if it's link, it's also going to be green. So we can just leave it as text or heading. And this is pretty much how to change the color for your price point. It's going to change all over across the different products that you have. So if we just go to this one as well, as you can see, it's going to also change in here. So hopefully you found this video to be informative and helpful. And for more information, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thanks for watching.